The climate is just too good, man, and which is why I like to start my rides very early in the morning. Damn, this is beautiful. It was madness of rain. Thank you. Nice meeting you all. Thank you. See you. What's up everyone, I hope you're doing well and safe. The time right now is 6:32 and I am heading out on a ride today. This time not a one-day ride, it's going to be a 2 days ride, and I am riding solo for a change. So my friends are busy this time, so I thought I'll ride solo, and it's been a while I rode solo, so I'm excited and I'm planning to leave in some time, maybe 15 minutes. Any guesses where I'm heading to? You would already know it. I'm riding to Gandikota, the Great Canyon of India, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So yeah, let's go. I'll see you guys directly on the bike. Alright, I'm all set. The time right now is 7 and I exactly wanted to start at 7 o'clock, so I'm on time today. Let's do this. All is well. Bye. So like I said, it's going to be a solo ride today and tomorrow. It's a 2 days ride, and Gandikota is about 280 kilometers from my place, so it's going to be a round trip of about 600 kilometers, close to 550. So I'm headed towards the airport road. So since this place is in Andhra, I'll have to take the airport road and go past Devnalli. I am officially on the NH44, which is the airport road. This highway is close to my house, so it's not that far. In fact, it's so close, and this is one of our go-to national highways for a spin, for a short spin, or coffee sometimes, or even late night spin sometimes. So I'm pretty used to this. You can see some nice clear skies outside. I don't see a possibility of rain though, at least now. The first toll gate of the day. This was the Devnalli toll. The climate is just too good, man, and which is why I like to start my rides very early in the morning. And I've told this like a million times, and I don't mind saying it again. Just look at the road and the climate. Too good. A perfect start for this ride. Just stopped here for breakfast. I found a restaurant finally. Swagat Delicacy. Okay, back on the highway. Another 200 kilometers to Gandikota. Finished my breakfast. The breakfast wasn't that great. I ordered the usual idli vada, but the dal itself was not that great. Anyway, the climate is still moody, and I expect rain. Looks like it's gonna rain. Man, it started raining like really crazy. I might have to keep the GoPro inside. I don't want to take chances, though I have sealed it with blue tack and a waterproof treatment that I've given. I don't think this might sustain. Dude, it was madness of rain. I couldn't stop anywhere. Like, it was raining so horribly. I had to put the GoPro inside. I didn't want to take chances. Just stopped here. I wanted to take a break. I don't know where exactly I am. Just stopped here. It stopped raining. I want to take a break. Even after wearing rain gear, my clothes got drenched. So imagine the kind of rain it was. I couldn't see the road. Like, it was invisible. Another 170 kilometers to Gandikota. There's absolutely no rain here at all. Are you kidding me? And he's also doing solo. It's so nice to wave at riders on the highway. Okay, I'll have to take a left here. Finally, I see some blue skies and some clear skies. Dude, when I started the ride, it was so dark and gloomy. Look at the lovely looking clouds in the sky, man. So colorful. Just stopped here for a break. Now I want to sip some water. Another 95 kilometers to Gandikota. The roads are not that great. It's too patchy. And I expected that. But it was good initially and then started getting bad. Bangalore నుంచి వస్తున్నాను. Bangalore నుంచి వస్తున్నా. Bangalore నుంచి Gandikota పోతున్నా. Thank you. Thank you. Nice meeting you all. Thank you. See you. So nice to meet people on the road, especially when you have a camera and you think a YouTuber. They've started recently, but still, it's nice to meet people. And this is the best part of solo rides, you get to socialize with so many people. You get to meet so many nice people on the road. There's a saying, you meet nicest people on motorcycle. I think that's true. And I would definitely stick around to it and keep meeting a lot of people. And the little bit Telugu that I know is what is keeping me engaged when I come to Andhra. Bear with my Telugu, please. He's the camping guide who's taking us to the camping site. So we've basically taken a camp here. I went into the fort. I didn't know where to go. Thankfully he's here to help me. Oh my god, look at this. Hell, a lot of camps. Damn, this is beautiful. What's up, people? Finally I managed to reach the camping site on time. So I wanted to be here for the sunset, and this is my stay for the night and tomorrow. And look at the view. Amazing, right? So that's the view from the campsite, and there are plenty of campsites here. I was just talking to the guide. He was saying the crowd has been reduced now, so there are a lot of people who come on weekends here, and he was saying the count goes up to 500. So I'll be visiting the fort in some time. So there's a different view from the fort. View from the fort is very good, so probably I might head out in some time there. Hopefully the sun goes down soon. I've parked my bike there, and this is the Juma Masjid. I'm on my way to the fort and for a good view. I've seen some images of the view from the fort. It's insane. So let's see how it is in reality. Man, the view is just insane here. The camera is not doing any justice. You'll have to come here and visit this place and witness this through your naked eyes, for sure. Such a breathtaking view, man. Definitely camera's not doing any justice. Do come here, visit this place. I'm planning to go on top and get a complete view of this. You must definitely visit this place. Of course, it's risky to, trek. It's very dodgy. It's part of the adventure. And look at where I'm standing. I'm literally standing at the edge. I'm gonna just shut off the camera and just live in the moment and enjoy the time here. It's too crowded as well. I found a spot, like a very good spot. Look at here. Look at where I'm sitting. Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm still stunned with the kind of view I'm seeing right now. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.